Namaste. Good morning. This is Ganesh, Faculty of Social Science. We had started ninth class lesson, subject social. Lesson number 1, our Earth. In previous videos, what we have discussed, the main objective of the lesson, hypothesis on originating of space. So hypothesis means the imaginations, the theories which were imagined by the great geographers, the two ancient geographers. Among them we had discussed about Ptolemy, Claudius Ptolemy, one who wrote a famous book, that is Almagest. Almagest was written by Claudius Ptolemy. Okay, here what we had discussed over there, Ptolemy proposed, that is geocentric theory we had discussed, and next theory what we had discussed about the imagination of originating of the space, that is second theory, that is heliocentric theory. It was proposed by Copernicus. Copernicus was used Galileo's telescope and he saw the space and he told that, okay, he proposed that heliocentric theory. And finally the last one imagination was Charles Abel Lemaitre. He proposed Big Bang theory. That Big Bang theory also we had seen over there. Okay, 13.7 billion year ago it was blasted. That leads to form the space. There we had discussed about them. And next one is what is that continental drift theory. This one also we had discussed over there. It was proposed by took place 220 million year ago. Million year ago. It was happened in which year? 220 million year ago. Continental drift theory also we had discussed over there. That is what Pangea. Pangea means one big mass continent. Okay. Next, now come to here. In this class, we focus on Earth. Okay, what is that? Earth as a planetary body. The concept is Earth. First of all, before entering into here, what is Earth? It's a planet. If we are going to space, if we look at planet, if we look at our Earth, it appears blue color because that 71% of the land, 71% of Earth contain of water. So that is why it appears like a blue color planet. So that you remember that one. Now Earth contain of two actions are there. Two major actions are there. One is rotation and another is revolution. Rotation means what? When the Earth is rotating itself. Okay, when the Earth is rotating itself, it is called as what? Rotation. Revolution means what? Rotates, the Earth has to rotate itself and revolve around the sun. That is called as what? Revolution. So Earth is moving, the speed per second, per second of Earth speed is 29.9 kilometers. Imagine, per second it is moving 29.9 kilometers it is moving. Now come to our content here. You have to learn these two concepts here. Now perihelion and aphelion means what? So now focus here. Earth, it is moving its own elliptical way. It is called as what? Elliptical way. It is called as what? Earth orbit. Okay, orbit. Okay, Earth orbit. How many kilometers are there? 965 million square kilometers are there. Million square kilometers. 965 million square kilometers of the path. This path, it's a way. In this way it is moving. So in this way, when it is moving like this, somewhere Earth is so far from the sun. This position is called as what? Aphelion. This position is called as what? Aphelion. When the Earth is so far from the sun, this position is called as what? Aphelion. when it will take place on July 4th. On July 4th. July 4th. The specialty of July 4th is what is that? What is that? The farthest position from the sun to the earth. And one more GK bit. July 4th is the independent day of America. That one also you can remember that one. So July 4th. See here, earth is so far from the sun to the earth. Okay. Next, this position is called as what? Aphelion. Aphelion. It is which language? It is called as what? It is Greek language. It is what? Greek language. Okay. How many? This is what farthest position. No? How many kilometers it is distance from the sun to earth? This is what? 150 million square kilometer. 150 million square kilometers. The distance is. Next, come to here. Somewhere when it is moving like this, somewhere Earth will come very near to the sun. Earth will come very near to the sun. So this position is called as what? This position is called as what? Perihelion. Perihelion. So when it will happen on January 4th. Okay. How many kilometers of the distance? That is 147 million square kilometers. 147 million square kilometers. Now focus here. Already I told you, Earth contain of two major actions are there. One is rotation, revolution. Earth rotation taking place. Okay, Earth is rotating. How many it is taking place? It is taking how much time? It is taking 23 hours 56 minutes. Okay, 23 hours 56 minutes. Okay, next 4.09 seconds. This is what very important. See, 23 hours 56 minutes. Seconds also very important. 4.009 seconds. That you have to remember that one. Next, Earth revolution. Earth revolution time. Earth revolution means what? Rotating itself. Okay, rotating itself and revolving around the sun. This is sun. See, imagine it is rotating itself and revolving around the sun. So revolution. How many days it is taking place? 1 year. How many days are there? 365 days and 6 hours. Okay. So here 6 hours. Now here how these 6 hours can be calculated? So every year, every fourth year, 6 into every fourth year. So every year exceeding how many hours we are getting exceeding here? 6 hours. So 6 into 4. How many? 24 hours extra. So this 24 hours will be added on. This 24 hours will be added on every fourth year. Every fourth year, that is called as what? Leap year. So leap year. See, every fourth year become a leap year. This is the concept of the leap year. You remember like that. Suppose 2020. So 2020 is a leap year. Okay. So here how many hours we are getting exceeding hours? 6 hours. 21, 22. Okay. 23. Next one is a 23. See here 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. So here total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many hours we are getting? 24 hours. So 23 also 2023 also become a leap year. Leap year. Okay, Nana, you remember like this. So this is the concept of leap year. Every year we are getting exceeding of the time 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. So after fourth year, every fourth year, not after fourth year, every fourth year. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fourth year. Okay, 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24 hours. That for 24 hours will be added in the month of February. So February leap year, how many days we get? 29 days. 29 days. So this is called as what? A leap year concept. Now come to here. Earth speed also. Earth travels around the sun with speed what, how many, see here how much time they are taking. Earth travels around the sun with speed 1,07,200 kilometers. This is what simple information regarding your Earth. This is about simple information about Earth, and we have to focus on next the internal structure of the Earth and latitudinal and longitudinal constants. If we complete them, lesson will be completed. Thank you.